Good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Just wanted to take a moment and do a video for you on this that's just come in. It's a D250 X-Dynamic HSE Defender 90. Literally come in actually early, part exchange. Customers actually changed it for a slightly bigger car, so we have the advantage of selling it again. Finished in the Santorini Black. This car has the full black pack on it. We've also got the upgraded larger alloy wheels, 22-inch. You've got the classic mud flaps on the vehicle and the fixed side steps as well. Car also benefits from the keyless entry and the 360 surround cameras. We have got the privacy glass standard with it being on a 90. And then if we come round to the rear of the car, you've obviously got your full-size spare as well. In the boot, this will, I'll show you in a second, but you've got your normal storage unit here, which obviously we know can extend. Nice thing with this car, when we come round to the side, is that it's been well looked after, it's a good condition, it's a fully approved car, it's obviously nearly new, so there's no damage, scuffs or scrapes in the vehicle. One thing I wanted to point out to you though, if I just unlock the car, now if I just show you in the rear here, I'll just walk around the other side. So a nice thing with this car on the 90, which is something that they have done fairly recently on the vehicle, is that when you fold these seats down, they will go flush, because there's a little recess here. If I pull this up, they'll go on like that, other side will go down, and then these seats will fold in to give you a flush tailgate, a flush boot space in the rear. One thing obviously, again, you'll notice, nice interior with the ivory. And while we're here, I'll just jump into the front so I can show you some of the stuff on the inside. So the exact mileage on the car is 1,094 miles, so it's done nothing. If we go in on here, you'll see that you've got your air suspension, which is on the vehicle. We've got heated steering wheel, radar guided cruise control, full interactive drive display on the car as well. If we just go across on here, you'll also see that you've got your sat nav, your Bluetooth, your media, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And if we go into the seats, you'll see that if we just turn those on, you've got your heated seats and your cooled seats as well. Nice thing with this car as well is we've got the sliding panoramic roof, so really it doesn't want for anything. It has been well looked after. It's a fully spec car with everything right down to the Meridian Sound system, so it's just a car that's ready to go, in fairness. As I say, it's been fully prepared by ourselves and supplied by ourselves originally. So if you want to give us a call on this, greatly appreciated. The number is 01642 644 444.